Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Sweet Barbecue, and today we're making some grilled elote with chorizo on the Arctic Flame. The first thing that we want to do is mix together a creme fraiche mayo mix that we're going to use to brush the corn a little bit later. So here's how we put together that. We're going to mix half a cup of creme fraiche with half a cup of mayo. Then we want to add about 3 tablespoons of our Big Sweet Barbecue Badass Beef Boost. Then you want to stir this thoroughly and set aside. Now we want to set up the grill, and then it's time to start steaming the corn husks. We have a good fire in the Arctic Flame, so let's put on the grill grates. Now you want to have corn husks that have outer leaves that's green, fresh, and moist. Then we're going to place the corn in the husk on the grates. Now you want to steam this over an open fire between 20 to 30 minutes. When the outer leaves are charred and the corn feels a little bit softer, it's time to remove them and let them cool off. While the corn husk is cooling off, it's time to start preparing the chorizo. You want to place a frying pan on the grates. Then I have some beautiful beef and pork chorizo from my local Mexican grocery that I'm going to saute. That's why I love these frying pans from Heritage Steel, because you can really abuse them over open fire. You clean them up, they're good to go, and they will last a lifetime. When the chorizo is cooked through, you want to remove the pan from the grill. The chorizo is ready, so now it's time to put some color on the corn. We have allowed the corn to cool off a little bit. Now you want to pull back the leaves and remove the silk. I like to tie up the leaves in a nice little knot, and then we're going to place them back on the grill again and just roast them a couple of minutes until they have a nice char. When they have a good char, remove them from the grill. Now we want to brush them with a creme fraiche mayo mixture. Then we want to dust them with plenty of cotija cheese. The corn is ready, the chorizo is ready, so now it's time to plate, and this is how we do that. I like to put a little bit of chorizo at the bottom of a pan and then place a couple of elotes on top. We're going to garnish with some cilantro and some lime, and then these grilled elotes with chorizo are ready to serve. And that is how I make my grilled elotes with chorizo on the Arctic Flame, and I think the only thing left to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. And look at these. They look amazing. Maybe a little bit chorizo on top. There we go. And then bite into it. Oh, so good, so flavorful. I really hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.